Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create custom fields in Freshsales. The first thing I want you to do once you're logged into your dashboard, come here on the left hand panel, click on this gear cog to access your admin settings, and then from here you'll see leads, contacts, and accounts. And what I want you to do right here, okay, I want you to go ahead and click on whichever one you want to create a custom field for. So in this case, I'll do contacts, and then we'll do add field. Now here, we'll select our custom field type. So I'll do a radio button right here. There we go. Click on that and then click add selected. Now we need to add a field label. So we need to give a name for our field. So let's do types of services offered. Okay, and the internal name will be auto-generated. Of course, you can go ahead and change it if you want. Field type, we'll leave it as a radio button. And tooltip right here, it will describe the purpose of this field. Okay, so let's say describe. Okay, right here, I'll type it in. Describe which of the services, right, matches your client's business model, for example. Okay, and here you can choose. So here's group or subgroup. We'll have this one as just basic information, and if you want you can toggle these. So let's do show field in quick add view. Of course, if you want to understand what these are, you can go ahead and click here for more details. It will open these up as well. If you want it to be a required field, you can toggle this one or these as well if you want to use these options. Now here under choices, okay, you enter different choices. So you can search for existing choices if you have them, or you can enter new ones. So we'll do OEM right here. Let's do technology, okay, integrator, right? If you want to add more, click here, add choice, right? If you want to remove it, right, click on this icon right there. So we'll add one more. Let's do service provider. Okay, there we go. And to save it, all you have to do is come here and hit save to apply the changes. As you can see, we have added another field. And that is how to create custom fields in Freshsales.